So what's up guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to be finishing up the trailing arms. We're going to get them all buttoned up and ready for install. So that means paint, that means all the assembly is going to be put together. We're going to fully assemble them. That's hubs, anything associated with the brakes, toe links, camber arms. Fully assemble so that whenever we're ready to install, we just, bolt them in. So that's what we're going to do today. I will be trying to drop a new episode every Tuesday. I know I haven't committed to a specific day. This is going to be the first time I commit to this day. So I am going to start dropping a new episode every Tuesday. So I just want to let you guys know. So set your notification bell. So anyways, enjoy the episode. So here we are. So we're at, we got these guys primed. So this guy, I'm thinking, turned out awesome. I really like the way it's gonna look. It should really minimize the twisting, because we're going with a spherical bearing, so a lot of the play that bushing would allow it is no longer gonna be there. Same thing with the upper camber arm. Same thing is gonna happen with the toe kick. Hopefully this adds enough rigidity where we really minimize the flex. I could have gotten a lot thicker to really minimize it, but this is just going to be a road course vehicle and a daily driver, so I didn't have to go overboard with it. We'll see how it looks after I after I paint it here in a couple hours with the actual paint. That's that. So I'm going to get started with that guy. I need to finish him up. And there you have it, guys. TIG welded all up, both front and back. Not front and back, but top and bottom. Alright, so here we have the second trailing arm taped up and primed. Here's that one of the wishbones, but look out. Yeah. This is gonna look nasty. So what we're gonna start off with today is mounting these guys. The ESM spherical bearing bushing for the rear trailing arm. So they're going just like that. I'm gonna use the provided hardware. It's all in here. Hardware, we got these guys. It's all aluminum, so it's awesome. This is part of the toe links, because the ESM toe links are going to be putting on right here. So it's heim joints. So we need the misalignment spacers that go in there for the heim joints to accommodate for the bolt. You can see it's having a hard time figuring out how to turn on the GoPro.
I forgot which button you told me.
I forgot which button
it says 06. I think I took 6 pictures.
This guy's he's about as smart as a retarded ape.
Special is what it is.
So what?
I pressed the one on top.
You changed the mode. So that's on camera. There, it's on video camera now.
Okay.
So now you're just gonna hit that guy once, and you're recording.
Oh, and we're live!
And then you can hit it again, and you'll stop recording.
Alright, so now...
dude,
you're
technology.
in for a treat. You got
what is this,
double
Inception?
recording.
Is this the
Maybe.
recording of the recording?
The recording of the recording.
So now we just need a phone
Yeah, basically.
to capture both of the recordings?
Just imagine how shitty our voices sound at the
I
same
know, right?
time. Oh, I would get annoyed. Anyways,
I apologize, I
yeah.
can't. I have no control over my
Anyways.
voice. Maybe we'll have somebody do voiceover for us.
Yeah, that'd be good. Give it an accent.
Give it an accent. What kind of accent?
I don't know. French. I think French accent.
A French accent? You
Yeah,
do
those
people
are
are comedy,
nice.
yeah?
I think those are nice.
Yeah.
Better
Add a level of sophistication to the word.
Sub-Sahara African dude. That would be good.
Sub-Sahara African dude.
Yeah, it's very specific. Anyways.
Alright. So, look what he did.
Yeah. Oh, I did that. By the way, it took me a little bit. There was
so you got some of the stuff that's in there on his face.
Do I?
Yeah,
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. I didn't realize. Anyways, while I'm
gonna leave him to that,
rear trailing
and we're gonna get back onto this. Alright, so there we have the holes drilled. So before we mount that, I think we need the room here, behind here, so I can reach around and poke through to set up the emergency brake cable. So I'm going to do that next. I'm going to run them both through, set that up, and then I'll be bolting these guys up. So here we have it, guys, all said and done. Emergency brake cables ran. Next step is hub assembly. So we're gonna get this hub assembly back on. So we sat here and we painted these brake calipers, cleaned them up, and then we'll put those guys back on there. So this trailing arm will be ready. Here's those rotors, by the way, that we had turned yesterday. Look how nice they look. Yeah. And here are our hubs. Like I said before, these are trailing arms for 98 Integra. So you know, it comes with an ABS sensor. We won't be utilizing it. There are options with the Honda S300 that give you the ability to run a traction control system off of the ABS output. So, but we don't anticipate utilizing that anytime soon. Maybe it's not even. All it really does is retard timing and really power down your engine to make sure you regain traction. But so here it is, new bearing, new studs, complete hub assembly. We'll slap this guy on, we'll slap the other guy on, and then we'll be rocking and rolling. So here's the rear trailing arms fully assembled. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get the luxury of installing them because of the lower control arm bushing situation, but here they are. You got hard race camber arms, cross and slotted rotors freshly turned, brand new hubs, refurbished rear calipers off of GSR, or not GSR but Integra, 98 Integra, ESM trailing arm bushing, ESM toe link. Man, yeah, so this thing is primed to go do good things, go fast. Broom broom.
Broom. Broom. Wish we could have put them on, but whatever.
So yeah, that's what it is. That's what we're gonna call it a night. Getting kinda hungry.
Yeah. Hungry
kinda
and dirty. Hungry and dirty, so got the wifey. DSM2.
He was castrated at a young age. But yeah, see you guys later.